you can look at the America's Cup as a little bit confusing.
Controversy and litigation.
For me, it's really basic. It's one boat versus one boat. The boat that crosses the finishing line first takes the point. In the 173 years of the America's Cup, it's as simple as that. The confusing side of things is the rules do change every so often. So if you win the America's Cup, you then have the right to slightly tweak the rules and change the rules and the style of the competition. But you do that in collaboration with the challengers, and specifically the challenger of record, which INEOS Britannia are. We're trying not to let Team New Zealand get too much of an advantage in the rule writing and the event format, trying to find a fair competition for all. So this time round, we're still in the AC 75 that we were in the 36th America's Cup in Auckland. So you could look at a boat from the last America's Cup and look at a boat from this America's Cup, and they will look roughly the same. The biggest changes are the boat has got lighter. So we're trying to make our light air performance better across all of the boats. Another way we've made the boats lighter is we've reduced the crew numbers. So we've gone from 11 down to 8 sailors. We're no longer grinding with our arms as we did in Auckland. We're now cycling with our legs, so that's completely changed how we power the boat. With the changing of the rules, I can see why people think it's confusing. But to be honest, the first boat across the finishing line gets 1 point. You add up all those points, you'll likely find yourselves in a pretty happy place at the end of the summer.